So we go from non-existence to existence. On folio of time theory, show us a map of existence, so we can get to know us more, having this map and knowing the qualities and characteristics of each of these planes of existence and of these three times in which we could coexist. How the hell I can make this such difficult matter, make it simple? So I was remembering in the morning, I received a vacuum cleaner, and the vacuum cleaner had a program, but I had to open an app and download an app and then make the vacuum cleaner map the area. And then when we have this map, like the vacuum cleaner, she will be able to clean more, to clean all our past, all the garbage of our past, all the shit of our past. Then she can do better her work. This is a little bit like reality works. Yeah, and then we have the vacuum, the point, like the point of nothing at all, no light, no sounds. And from this point of absolutely emptiness, they are discovering that infinite energy emerges. That's what they discover in physics. In this point of absolutely emptiness, all this energy and all these 7 planes of existence in 3 different times appear. So that's the idea, that we connect again our origin or original essence, and that we leave all our worries to the initial observing, because from up here, like from the top of the mountain, you can see much more. You can have all the map of your existence. It's better that we leave our perception to our original essence or being. Some people call it God, some people call it love.